Hi Keith, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you with a video with some tips and tricks to get more business in the door, and I'm going to go over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations, and then I'll show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. So I'm here on your homepage for your website, and I'd like to first go over the content on your website. So the first thing I'm looking for are the number of words you have on your front page, and unfortunately there's not a whole lot. I'm not including the reviews, which are really great that you have, and I like how you have a call to action on here that's really important for customers. However, I am including the content that you provide for people to read, as well as keywords. So I don't see a whole lot of content on here. You probably have about 100 words or so, and we do recommend that you have 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. For example, tile contractor, Columbus, Georgia, where you're located. That's an example. So I went ahead and I researched one of the services that you do. I noticed you also do some different services. I just took bathroom remodeling, and I put that in the top of Google, bathroom remodeling, Columbus, Georgia. And this is a keyword that is service and location specific, which you do want to have in your website as well. And when I was looking at the results, you do not rank for this keyword. So I'm going to go over that in just a second, but I first want to go over the top of the search results. So the top up here is called the Google Map Pack. 30% of people will choose to a business that is here 30% of the time. And down here on the organic search, 60% of people will choose a company here, which is the most volume. So you definitely want to have a rank for this keyword. Now, it's worth noting that I did search tile contractor, Columbus, Georgia, and you are in the Google Map Pack for that, which is great. So you are doing some good things, and you also ranked on the organic search result for #1 for that. However, due to the services that you do have, you do want to rank for all the services that you have so that you can be found easier. So let's go ahead and get into this. So I found your #1 competitor for bathroom remodeling in Columbus here on the front page of Google, and they are R. Lucas Construction and Design. Now I know that they have more than just bathroom remodeling, but I wanted to show you that they are one of your competitors because they offer one of the services that you do. So I want to go over the content on their website. So they have some content on their website. It's still not the amount of words that we recommend. So they probably have about 200 words or so on their website on the homepage. Once again, we do suggest that 1,500 to 2,000 words. I'd like to move on and go to our tool here. This is the page program that I use to research websites and put them in here with your competition to evaluate how you guys are doing. So I'd first like to go over to ratings. There's a UR rating and a DR rating here. DR rating is your Google Power rating essentially, and the UR rating is your trust rating by Google. And these two things are raised by something called a backlink. And backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. The best backlinks are those of quality that relate to your industry and local backlinks as well to your area. You have 7 backlinks here, and I took a look at these. The UR rating, however, is really low on these, so they're not the best quality backlinks to have, but you have 7 of them. Your competitor has 158, so you definitely want to get your backlinks up. I wouldn't suggest not to just match them, but also maybe get a few hundred more. I'd suggest around 300 or so. And due to the quality of backlinks that they have, and the number that they have as well, they have a high UR rating, a high trust rating, which allows them to be found in Google much easier by consumers, whereas unfortunately you're not ranking for that just due to the quality of your backlink. Alright, so I would like to move into something called a citation. Now, a citation is anywhere a business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile, and citations help you rank in the map pack that I showed you a little bit ago, which you are ranking for tile contractors in Columbus in the map pack. And this is really important because it can generate huge amounts of revenue, so awesome that you're there. And citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau. There's a bunch of others, and social media accounts as well. So the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that you're going to rank above them. So right now, you guys have 6 citations, whereas your competitor has 64. So once again, I don't recommend just matching that amount. I recommend increasing the amount that your business information is, not just at 64, but I would suggest maybe 150 to 200 citations. Alright, so we have gone over content, backlinks, and citations, and these 3 things come together and you'll start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at and why this is so important. So looking back at your page, unfortunately you're not getting any organic traffic, so your website's not doing a whole lot for you right now, whereas your competitor is getting some organic traffic, and they're also ranking for 161 keywords that are location and service specific, whereas you don't have any, so you definitely want to focus on some keywords within your content throughout. So that would really help you guys rank in Google. Alright, so that about covers it up for today. I just wanted to show you this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence in your website. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you today, Keith. I hope this was helpful, and I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is below in my signature. I hope to hear from you soon, and have a great day.